with crushed black pepper corn and chopped parsley. It's ready now.
Hello there! So today me and my father are going to make the sprouted green lentil side salad. And this is a very important dish because we can make this within 3 minutes. Right, Dad?
Exactly right. For the salad, I am using sprouted green lentil, olive oil, crushed black pepper, chopped parsley, sliced garlic, sliced red chili, sliced small onion, tomato paste and salt. First of all, heat the pan very well. Then we have to add at least 50 ml of olive oil. Then add sliced garlic, sliced small onion, saute around 5 seconds. Then add sliced red chilies, then add salt, black pepper crushed 5 seconds. Then immediately add sprouted beans into the pan. Then mix well. Around 30 seconds in. So mix properly with all the spices. Ready. So at finally I have to add chopped parsley. Again mix around 5 seconds. The salad is ready now. Now I am going to shift the salad into the serving bowl. Okay, and like that, sprinkled with crushed black pepper corn and chopped parsley. It's ready now.
This looks like noodles.
Yeah, look like noodles, but not a noodles. It's a side salad. Give me some more. I want to taste as well.
Wow, it is really good. I like it, and it's very healthy. I can understand. Really healthy.
Yeah, really very good.
And
But
you have made it within 3 minutes, right?
exactly. But make sure this salad need to saute very quickly. You can make it. You have to ready all the ingredients. Then you heat the pan. Saute at least less than a minute. Ready for your salad. Okay, all together will take less than 3 minutes. It's a very good salad, very healthy salad for everyone. Please try it.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please try to make this at your home. Bye.
Until then, bye bye.